everyone, this is Sunny Chen, the sales manager of Dezsmart. We are a factory for selective soldering machine. Selective soldering machine offer precision, high quality, flexibility, and cost savings compared to your traditional methods.
Selective wave soldering can be used on military, aerospace, maritime, automotive, electronics, and other multi-layer PCBs with complex through-hole soldering processes. Selective wave soldering generally consists of three models: flux spraying, preheating, and soldering. Through the device's programming system, the flux spraying model can selectively spray flux on each soldering joint of the PCB. Then the preheating module heats the board. And finally, the soldering module completes the soldering of each soldering joint one by one.
Follow us for more information. Thanks for watching.